short video clip on actually a different way someone's got a post, a removable post in the center. This is actually the best system I've seen. You got one of them kind of locks down there. Vinyl fits, you know how those are. And you got one that kind of locks up here. That one's already unlocked. That one's unlocked. This fence opens out. And the post just comes out. And there it is, it's out. That's actually the best system I've seen yet for one of these. Everything else is kind of pales in comparison to this deal. I think this post has a 4x4 post with a 1x on one side. Two sides. There's the build. Just a, quick video. I mean, we all know how, well, not all of us, many of us know how they use these posts right here. They put it's for removal, They put one of these in the ground, that way it doesn't fill with dirt. And then they actually use it on the top of it because it's a vinyl fence anyway. This is the best system, the best one I've seen yet. This one is better than all the rest of them I've seen. I like the way they got those two locks and really hold it stationary. Video's over.